to become and the standards by which we shall measure our progress. It is about translating constitutional ideals into measurable development outcomes, outcomes into better lives, and better lives into national transformation and shared prosperity. If the defining achievement of those who came before us was to give Kenya a constitution worthy of our aspirations, then the defining responsibility of our generation is to build a nation worthy of that constitution. Over the past several months, I have engaged and sought the counsel of current and former national leaders, of political leaders, scholars, business leaders, faith leaders, professionals, civil society, grassroots representatives, and most importantly, young Kenyans from every part of our republic. Those interactions reinforced one conviction above all: a vision worthy of guiding Kenya for the next generation cannot be written by government. It cannot be crafted by a handful of experts, however distinguished they may be. Nor can it emerge from a single institution or political formation. It must be forged through a genuinely people-driven, citizen-centered, and future-focused national process. One that draws upon the collective wisdom, experience, imagination, and aspirations of the Kenyan people, while remaining open to the very best ideas the world has to offer. It was in that spirit that I invited Professor Hiroyuki Hino, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, and their distinguished colleagues to begin examining Kenya's future beyond the Vision 2030. Last week, I had the honor of receiving their proposals on strategic guidelines for Kenya's long-term national transformation. The thrust of their proposal is both ambitious but also achievable. That Kenya can become a prosperous, high-income, industrialized, and globally competitive nation within one generation, provided we remain united in purpose, disciplined in execution, and unwavering in our commitment to long-term national transformation. These proposals provide the foundation for a much broader national conversation, a conversation that now belongs not to government, nor to the authors of that report, but to every Kenyan. Fellow citizens, somewhere in Kenya tonight is a child too young to understand this address. Some may never remember Vision 2030. Others may never remember even this conversation, but they will live in the Kenya we choose to build. That is why this landmark national conversation is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It is about all of us, and also the generations that will inherit the republic we will leave behind. Our Constitution places public participation at the very heart of governance. It is therefore not merely my desire, but my constitutional duty to ensure that the national vision which succeeds Vision 2030 is shaped through an inclusive, transparent, people-driven, and genuinely national process. Accordingly, on Wednesday, the 12th of August, 2026, we shall formally launch a national conversation on Kenya's future beyond Vision 2030, the most consequential exercise in national reflection and public participation since the promulgation of our Constitution in 2010. We shall bring together every institution of our republic, every county and every generation, leaders from political parties, the private sector, workers' organizations, faith communities, universities, professional associations, innovators, civil society, our creative industry, and above all, our young people will be at the center. In 2010, we gave ourselves a constitution worthy of our dreams. The task of our generation is to build a nation worthy of that constitution. We have secured the foundations of our democracy. Let us now secure the foundations of our prosperity. When we achieve both, we will have fulfilled not only the letter and the spirit of our Constitution, but its highest purpose. Let us rise together, write that next chapter of our republic. God bless you all. God bless Kenya, and I thank you.
Mwiroreri ucio ni mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto agitariria bururi makinya maria bururi utacukitie kuma riria wegereire wiyathi miaka 63 mihituku, makinya maria makoretwo kuo o undu umwe na imera iria ikoretwo kuo cia mabururi gwiyukiriria akiana ngerekano ya Kenya na mabururi ma Asian Tigers, bururi wa Kenya na ngerekano ya mabururi ma China na Malaysia maria makurire miaka-ini ya 70s na 80s, o undu umwe na mabururi ma Vietnam na Cape Verde maria namo makurire miaka-ini ya 90. Akiuga agikorwo kioneki gia 2030 kiri hakuwe gukinya ni ihinda ria bururi gukorwo kiarira mithingi kana muthingi wa guthie na mbere na agithie na mbere na gukitariria maundu maria thirikari yake ireka na kioneki giake niguo gutigirira ona guo bururi wa Kenya miaka-ini yukite iria gitaro kia Afrika gitanyitwo gukorwo nikio gigukura na gikiro kinene muno. Bururi wa Kenya ndunatigwo na thutha. Hau nio tugutirira mohoro maitu muthenya wa umuthe ithaa riri, no ririkana tucemanie thaa 3 niguo gutamburukiria maingi ma maria president yariria o undu umwe na mangi maria tugukuhaririirie. Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani, mwathiriri na njira ciiko hauma Nyambura wa Wamusha.
Kwenye Star Times, Bei Chini, Burudani Juu. Enjoy kids entertainment, the best football, Hollywood movies, gripping dramas, and so much more at fantastic prices. Buy the aerial decoder at only 1,399 shillings and the dish decoder at only 2,499 shillings. Say yes to unmissable entertainment. Recharge your monthly subscription today and get upgraded to the next higher bouquet for 1 full month. And enjoy Teen Titans, Ben 10, and Pokemon Hunters on Cartoon Network, Gangs of Manila on ST Novella, and Come Back to Me on Novella E+, TNA Wrestling and blockbuster Hollywood movies on TNT. Download the Star Times Own app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
God is a God of a second chance. Ngai ne ngai wa ihinda ringi. Ona muini wa rwimbo neraugire ngai ne ngai tutungatagira ngai wa ihinda ringi. Tutungatagira ngai wa ihinda ringi. Na ngai ucio ri ni aheaga mundu a second chance. Na tondu we muoyo ri ngai no akuhe o hingo engi. Ngai no akurugamirire o hingo engi tondu ni ngai wa ihinda ringi. Ngai arokuhe thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu ihinda ria gukenereruka ringi. Ngai arokuhe ringi thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu Kristo. We wina kirathimo gia gutherema ta muthabibu, wina kirathimo gia guciara muno ta muthabibu, na kurotwika guo thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu Kristo.
Rathimo ni kihunjio kuma kanitha-ini wa CFF Kiambu o kiumia thaa 3 cia rucini thiini wa Kameme TV. Wanenola neema tutamwona Mwokozi Yesu.
Mtumaini Bwana kwa moyo wako wote, wala usitegemee ufahamu wako mwenyewe. Katika njia zako zote mtambue, naye atazielekeza njia zako. Mithali sura ya 3 mstari wa 5 hadi wa 6.
Ili kuset Mtumaini Bwana kama skiza tune yako, dial *811 *618#.
Kameme TV, muthegi wa ruriri.
We mwega mwiroreri, hamwe ritwa Dr. Joseph Murimi, na ngaucokeria ngatho muno ni kunyitanira na Save Life. Ndohote tukuruta wira muingi makiria, tunyitanire na Ngai akurathime na kuongere kingi na kingi, na ndukanage haria kiumaga 10 riu 50 yo 100 riu, Ngai akurathime na kuongerere kingi na kingi.
Mkono unayetoa unashirishiwa, tushikane mikono tuokoe maisha. Let's save a life. Let's save a life, yeah. Let's save a life, transforming life. Umechekwa kwa muda, eti uko mlemavu, wezi fanya chochote, ujiwezi chanzo ya